So we're here wrapping up in Lake Nona. It's such a beautiful area right here. It's really awesome with everything that everybody's been building around here. But let me walk y'all through. In part one, this place was pretty trashed. So now this looks like freshly installed floors again. No tape, no paint, no liquid nail all over the place. It almost looked like a kindergartner's fingerprint painting with all that. And that's not good, especially to a guy that just spent the money on this place. And he wants to move in by this weekend. So, finishing up. Now we're walking up to the second floor. Again, looks nice, polished, ready for the furniture to come in here. Now it was funny, the guy was saying to me, he was like, so you're going to make Ashton Woods look good? And I told him, I really don't care what Ashton Woods think. All I care about is for what you think. Because if Ashton Woods packs up and leaves, I don't have any more customers in this area. But if I turn you into a customer, I'm going to have business around here. Took my card, he was already knowing that we're going to be able to take good care of them. So we're going up to the third floor. Here we go. All right, so we got Andrew on the zipper right here. Get ready to wrap up?
Yep.
Yeah, he's dead tired. Got all these areas looking pretty darn good. And this tile was pretty grody in here from all the people walking in since this was the model home. Look, if we're good enough for these builders to save their rears when these buyers are ready to move in, I think we're ready to take care of you guys. What do you think? So give us a call, 407-476-8525. We're getting ready to roll out some new programs. And quite a bit of good stuff that we realize that it's good that everybody has been looking for. So give us a call, and you guys have a wonderful evening. Thank you for your time.